Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how you can edit your photo in the new style with the bolding, changing background on Photoshop in mobile phone version. So here you just need to open your Photoshop on your mobile phone, and the next thing you need to do is just go open the picture that you want to edit right here. The next thing you need to do is just go take a look into this bottom section, swipe it into the left side until you got borders options. Tap into this borders, and the next thing you need to do is just go found the basic sections of the borders options. Tap into this basics, and the next you just need to wait until the borders option is kind of like loaded up, and the next you just need to pick into this tab of borders and then tap into the color, and you can change the color options that you want. And right after that you just need to go tap into the screen, and now you're ready to download this by go tap into this button. And now you're done. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy this, and let's meet again into other tutorial.